don't mind them. Just let them do their business and you do yours.
And always remember na meron tayong different types ng pag-upbring sa atin ng mga parents natin. So merong iba na sanay talaga silang nasa isang sulok lang sila. Merong iba na like me, as a butterfly, always out there. Tapos merong iba na gusto lang nilang nasa libro lang sila, nagbabasa. Intindihin nyo lang kasi may kanya-kanyang type of coping din yung iba sa pressure or stress na nararamdaman nila. And isa pa pala, guys, huwag kayo mag-diet. Yes. Nakakapayat ang pageant. Talaga. Super. Stress, kasi tapos guys, ito ha. No, but yeah, it was a life-changing experience for me. Kasi, but little did others know that parang yun na yung actually, sabi ko sa sarili ko, yun na yung last pageant ko. Kasi hindi ko naman dito talaga maging beauty queen eh. Before, hindi ko talaga naisip kasi nga, ang dami nagsasabi na parang hindi naman ako maganda. So, I believe in what everyone is saying that time sa akin. So, well, actually there's two sides of the story how it all started. The first is away. The second is when I was, still in high school, still 14 years old, pero nasa school naman yun. And it stopped there, parang sabi ko, parang I already limit myself in the thought na parang, sige, last pageant ko na yun, ganyan, na, just work for it. When I was in Palawan, nagtatrabaho lang ako. Like, I was a working student, I juggle both of my studies and my work. And at the same time, I'm a beauty queen, and I also do modelings. But in everything that I'm doing during that time, it's like I'm already setting my future to it. You know, na parang sabi ko, I'm a beauty queen, I'll do that walk, but this is for my future. Yun lagi sinasabi ko sa sarili ko. And so, I just did everything that I can during that time. And then, siguro sinabi na ni Papa God, no, when I joined before in a national pageant here in Manila din, parang sabi niya, okay, maybe it's now your time. So, thank you so much for waiting. Thank you so much for being patient. So, tapos after the pageant, saka ko talaga nakilala yung mga Binibini sisters ko. Yes. Meron lang talagang iba na yung type of focus nila is like, alam mo yung kabayo na naka-ganon? Yeah. Na talagang yun, kung nasa pageant sila, pageant talaga. Yeah. So it's normal. So huwag niyo agad i-judge yung mga katabi niyo if hindi kayo nasagot ng question or ganon.
Don't never ever involve yourself with the gossip. If like, I know it's very normal na may pag-uusap, that's chika, marites, it's very normal. But if I were you guys, don't ever involve yourself with the gossip, with the maritesan. Just focus on yourself and the journey that you have here in the Philippines. Because that's like one of the biggest distractions that you can ever have in your journey. If you focus too much on, kasi